How much space will we have in the future? How effectively will we use it? The Häfele Functionality Cube provides answers. Spaces are created here which can constantly be reinvented, which put the resident first, with newly created solutions and modern fittings. One example, the kitchen. It's perfectly accessible when it's needed. At other times, it disappears behind doors. Even the work surface is more advanced. It can be moved and remains fully operational. After the break, it's back to work. Nothing reminds you that just recently the area was used for cooking and eating. If more space is needed, you can integrate the pull-out dining table in a jiffy. By the way, this dining table has room for 5 guests. Relax with music and enjoy the space in your leisure time. The necessary technology is behind a sliding door. Or would you rather watch TV? At the push of a button, the flat screen appears from the sideboard. The bar is well camouflaged but close and offers a range of cool drinks. It's time to lie down for the night. The writing desk becomes a bed. The Häfele Functionality Cube. One room, countless configurations.